what SPRAISE is doing over here, but they did something unique and special with this. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Michelle Ijama, and here we cover all things hair care, skincare, law, and living your best life. Today I am going to be talking about self-care and skincare and how I want to level up in 2021. Now we know 2020 had its challenges and obstacles, and so this year I kind of want to bring in new energy, pamper myself a little bit more, and just practice a little bit more self-care, self-love, and all the things. And so I'm going to do that with starting a new self-care series. And so I want to introduce you to a brand that is built around showing ourselves, you know, self-love, self-care, and all those things. Okay, so the company that I want to talk about is called SPRAISE. It is a Black-owned, vegan, clean beauty brand. They actually create body care products that are intended to promote self-care and skin praise. So they sent me some products from their lemon ginger collection, and I thought it would be a good idea to give you my initial impressions about their products. I have used them twice now, and I thought, I should share this with my subscribers, especially if they're looking to kind of like love on themselves and then also level up in this new year. So yeah, let's dive in to the very first product. Okay, so the very first product that I want to talk about actually is this Shower Praise. It is a body wash. Now y'all, I thought this would be your normal everyday body wash, but it's not. And it's not because it does a really good job of getting you super squeaky clean without leaving your skin feeling stripped. Now, I don't know if you guys are like me, but in the winter, I get a little bit dry. My skin gets a little bit, you know, crusty, if you know what I mean. And I love how this shower gel just does a really good job of getting rid of all the dirt and debris on my skin, but then kind of like leaving my natural oils on my body to keep me hydrated and all that kind of stuff. And so I really like this shower gel for those reasons. A few other things that I noticed are a little goes a long way. Now, I am crazy when I take showers. I like to use a lot of body wash and all that kind of stuff, but I noticed with this particular shower gel, you don't have to do all that. A little goes a long way. Literally, it lathers really well. And one of the key highlights about this shower gel to me is it has a really nice, invigorating scent. It wakes you up in the morning. And so yeah, I really like this shower gel. It does a good job of keeping you hydrated while getting you clean. So the next item that I want to talk about actually is one of my faves. It is the Scrub Devotion. It is a body scrub. And when I say this body scrub is something amazing, it is something amazing. It's packed with a whole bunch of really good natural oils. It's got olive oil in it, castor oil in it, it's got primrose in it, it's got almond oil. It just does a really good job of sloughing off dead skin, exfoliating your body to reveal nice, hydrated, soft, silky smooth skin. I love this Scrub Devotion, and I know you guys know, if you guys watch my other video, I am a fan of Dove, but honestly this gives my Dove a good run for its money because it does a really good job of gently exfoliating your body while, you know, keeping it hydrated, nice and silky smooth. It has Bae's approval because I've tried this a couple of times, and each time that I have used it, I'll be like, babe, touch my thigh or touch my arm, and he's like, oh wow, you feel really soft. That's because this exfoliant really gets the job done. Okay, so the next item that I want to talk about actually is a new one for me. Now, I've never tried a spray lotion before, and y'all, Spray went ahead and gave me my best first experience with spray lotions. So the product that I want to talk about is actually the Glory Mist, which is a jojoba lotion spray. It is super lightweight. It's not greasy, it's fast absorbing, and it keeps my body super hydrated and moisturized all day long. Now, I don't know what SPRAISE is doing over here, but they did something unique and special with this body spray lotion. Y'all, if there is anything that you have to buy from this collection, it is this lotion, because it is a game changer, hands down. Now, I say this while saying I absolutely love the body scrub, but this spray lotion is something that I've never experienced before. A little goes a long way. It literally melts into your body. It does not leave those, like, you know know how sometimes when you put lotion on your body and you wear like maybe a satin-ish type of material, or you wear a light material and it leaves those like grease stains? This lotion does not do that, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. In addition to that, it's got some bomb ingredients in it. Like, it's got jojoba and aloe in it, which are known for their super moisturizing properties. Y'all, do not sleep on this jojoba lotion spray. It is a game changer, period. Finally, the last product that I want to talk about is this Body Vow. Now, Body Vow is a body souffle. I like to call it a body butter. It does have a shea butter base, but it's also got olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E, avocado oil, and all the things. I like to use this kind of as a sealant to kind of lock in the moisture on certain areas of my body. For example, I like to use this on my elbows and my knees and like my ankles, toes, and hands after using the lotion spray, because then it just locks in the moisture. Nobody wants to be ashy in 2021. We're not doing that in 2021. And so there's not much that I have to say about this body souffle, simply because it kind of reminds me of any kind of a, you know, whipped shea butter type of a mix. It is slightly greasy, but you can expect that when you have products that have shea butter as the first ingredient. Like every other product in this collection, it smells absolutely delightful. Spraise did a really good job with this collection. I love that you can layer all of their products on. I really just love how the scent is consistent across all products, which is a big deal for me because I love to smell good. And honestly, the lemon ginger line, it just smells divine. I love how it does not interfere with the scent of the perfumes that I use during the day. They kind of just pair well. And so I don't know, Spraise did a really, really good job with this entire line. Thank you, Spraise, for sending me these products. Honestly, I look forward to trying your other products. If you guys want to see how I use all of these products, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I will happily create a self-care, you know, routine featuring these products if that's something you guys want to see. I'm curious to know, have you guys ever heard of Spraise? If you have, what products have you heard of? What products have you used? What would you like to try? Go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.